Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode here. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about really the top stocks that I am buying in May of 2021. Now for me, I like to keep it as simple and as stupidly easy as I possibly can. Most of these are going to be blue chip stocks. I did throw in a couple growth and one that I think is pretty undervalued here. So starting off with the first one here is Amazon. Now they have been absolutely killing it. You guys can see a beautiful upward trend, basic resistance here at around probably 3,500. You guys can see we've hit it multiple times and got sell off. Very hard support near around $3,000. So you can make pretty good trades. But in May, I think we're really going to see a nice resistant breakout here. You know, a lot of analysts think that this stock can come in contact with $4,000 by the mid of 2021. So this would be hitting here. So I really think we'll probably see some buying pressure stepping into this. And my obvious price target for this for 2021 is probably going to be about $3,800 to $3,900. I think that's a very fair expectation and it could easily hit it. So obviously Amazon's going to be a huge one here, and there is rumors that this one is going to be doing a 10-to-1 stock split. So this is going to make it more affordable for investors to get in. It's going to be heavily traded, very similar to when Apple and Amazon did their splits. You know, there's a huge amount of buying pressure entering before we saw some sell-off. So I definitely think Amazon is going to be one that I am going to be dipping in this month here. Now the second one is Coin. Now I did buy a little bit on the IPO, and obviously I'm down a little bit on my investment. So all I'm going to be doing, averaging into my position. I think Coinbase carries a lot of potential, a lot of reward, but yeah, it's a riskier investment for sure. It easily is. I understand that this stock is volatile and all of that, so I'm not going to be investing a lot, like 1 to 2% of my portfolio, so nothing heavily. Amazon, I'm probably going to be doing like 5 to 10%. Coin 1 to 2, just because of the overall risk. Because Coinbase, yes, it carries more risk than Amazon. Of course it does. So another one here that I think carries a lot of potential is LMND. Now LMND is a insurance company that does homeowners, it does renters, it does pet insurance, and a lot of others. And you guys can see this is a pretty volatile growth stock. So you guys can see it really went from about $50 all the way up to about $188, selling off here at about $90, finding some support near 81. So all I'm going to be doing, using the volatility of LMND to my advantage, hopping in, going to be averaging my position. I did get in around $45, so I'm going to have an average price near around $75. So I think that this would be a good investment here, and I think that within the next 2 to 3 years, we'll probably see the stock coming back up to about $130, $140. I think that's a very fair price target for LMND here. But for me, this is just another one that I'm super excited about. And yeah, it's pretty risky, and I understand that this one could easily go to $70 or even $50 before we see that hype back up to $130. I'm well aware of it. So I'm using, LMND, the volatility to my advantage here. Like I said, it's been selling off, so I'm just going to average in. Now, another one here, this is just going to be another company that has seen some sell-off here. So you guys can see we did have some old resistance near around 245. It did break above that, curling down. So it's probably going to start seeing some support step in around 250. It looks like we did get our first green day. And I think that is pretty much going to be the start of the support here. Support is going to be about 250 all the way down to about 245. So I think if we could hop in right there, not even worry about it, because they'll probably see some buying pressure stepping back in before we see some highs here. This is just another blue chip stock that is a no-brainer. Dividends, solid cash flow. Great earnings, great revenue, extremely high margins. It's a no-brainer investment. Now, this is going to be another one that, yeah, it's pretty risky, but for me, I think the overall reward is very, very high. So Target has been absolutely killing it over the past couple of years, really. They really focused on the high-quality brick-and-mortar stores and then they definitely turn their heads towards e-commerce, which a lot of brick and mortar stores didn't end up doing. And you guys can see just by the overall growth of Target that this is a pretty decent investment here. So we have a beautiful upward trend. We have solid earnings here. And then we have a dividend payment of 68 cents a share. So you're getting cash flow. The stock value is growing. It's great earnings. They're focusing on high quality stores. They have good revenue. This is another no-brainer investment for the month of May. I think that with summer coming up, with things opening back up, I think Target will be a good investment here for the next 2 to 3 years as well. And I'm super excited to see where this one goes here. So really, I would like this one to sell off a little bit. I'd like to pick this up around near $200 because that is where that old resistance hit. You guys can see it hit it, and then we did get some consolidation there. And then we did get some more buying pressure. So I would like it to have a little sell-off here, but I wouldn't be afraid to hop in at, at 207 and not even look at it for a couple of years. I think that there's still a lot of growth behind Target, guys. So really, these are the top stocks that I am buying for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value. We talked about some opportunity with some undervalued growth stocks. We talked about blue chip stocks. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, guys, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.